Are you looking to protect your walls and tiles from unwanted stains, especially in the kitchen and bathroom? Hello and welcome back. I am Misha and you are watching my YouTube channel Design by Misha. Do you live in a rented property and don't want to invest money in renovation and are looking for a product that can beautify your space within a limited budget? Then I would highly recommend vinyl wall stickers. In this video, we will understand what are vinyl stickers, how to use and apply on your own within few minutes, and from where you can buy them. So let's understand what vinyl stickers are. A vinyl wall sticker, also known as wall decal or a wall tattoo. It is a sticker that can be fixed to a wall or any other smooth surface for decoration or to cover unwanted stains. It can be used as a piece of art, display quotes, geometric patterns or any form of abstract art. They are made from PVC material and come with a stick-on adhesives. You can protect your kitchen wall from oil and grease with this washable stickers. So many colorful tiles make any space beautiful while keeping unwanted stains away. This functional wall design protective sticker is a must-have for wash basin areas. If you do not have tiles or you might have broken tiles in your home, this will be a best choice. The tiles can also be individually cut to place them separately in a creative way to enhance the look of a furniture, wall, blank tiles, door, cabinets, etc. Vinyl is a very durable and long-lasting material. It is strong but lightweight plastic, often used for its weather-resistant qualities. The laminates ensure that the design will not fade due to regular cleaning. If you need to move the stickers after they have been applied, remove the sticker carefully to avoid damage. The sticker can be reapplied, but its adhesive property may be reduced. Clean the surface with a mild soap and water to free the surface from any dust or dirt. Dry it thoroughly. Afterwards, make sure that the surface is flat and even. Therefore, it will not stick if you apply them to a cracked walls. Peel the protective coating from the back and start applying against the wall. Stick it to the desired portion of your room, which should be a smooth surface like a wall or any furnished surface. After taking the required measurements, use a dishcloth or credit card to remove any air bubbles and you are all set. Vinyl sticker can also be considered as a temporary decor since most vinyl stickers are not reusable. From where you can buy this wall vinyl stickers? Amazon is the go-to website for all type of goods. I bought these stickers from there only. Another good option is Etsy for its unique art for every budget. Can wall sticker be installed over wallpaper? You have to know that wall sticker can be applied to a certain kind of wallpaper. Most times it is tough to remove wall decals from wallpapers. Are there any surface the wall sticker will not work on? They are not designed to stick to rough or uneven surface. Rough surface like stucco, porous aluminium and brick are not compatible. The walls must be free from dirt to avoid unnecessary peeling. Can we use it in the bathroom? There are many things to consider before you put stickers on your bathroom walls. The first is temperature. Plus, you have to make sure your walls are completely dry and not humid, so it can suit the vinyl. These vinyl stickers make your room look lively and great. Choose a wall sticker for transforming the interiors of your dwelling place and create a memory in each moment. Thank you for watching this video. See you next week with new idea, inspiration only on Design by Misha.